This video is sponsored by sellcashier.com. They compare iPhone prices on the internet and give you their instant quote and the most cash for your iPhone. Aquarium is back at the CES 2019, bringing you to the world of technology and innovation. Please enjoy this experience with us and let us know what you think about all these new techs in the comments down below.
Hi Jen, my name is Ed. I'm with Aquarium, which is the YouTube channel based in Washington, D.C., which focuses on mobile technology. And we want our subscribers to learn what Intel is planning for 2019 when it comes to 5G technology.
Hi Ed, nice to meet you, and thanks for coming to the Intel booth. So we are focusing on 5G here at CES, and we're really talking about 5G being not just the next G. It's more than just your phone. 5G has this broad spectrum of opportunities that's going to open up to industries and consumers, and it really starts with the network. So if you look at 5G in terms of the billions of devices and the mass amounts of data that's going to be coming over the network, you really need to have a network that's going to be transformative, something that will be able to store the data, process the data, move the data at speeds that we haven't ever seen before. That's how we are looking at 5G. So it's not just the device side, it's 5G from everything from the network through to the cloud, which brings the content closer to the device. So you have that connectivity, you have that speed, you have that low bandwidth, and it's also about the device as well. So that's what we're really focusing on in terms of 5G. Here at CES, we are showcasing 4 demos. The first demo that we are showing is the 600 megahertz demo that we did with T-Mobile. So we just did a press announcement on this on Monday, where we have the first Skype call over a 600 megahertz 5G connection. And at the demo, at the booth today, you can see a live demo of what it's showing. It's showing the T-Mobile booth from the Intel booth, and then vice versa. You can see the Intel booth from the T-Mobile booth over a 5G connection. We're also showing a hologram experience with a company called Mimesis, and this is a live 5G demo. We have a live 5G demo in our booth with our partner Ericsson, and so Mimesis is showing this hologram demo where 2 people can sit and be immersed in a hologram environment, and they can collaboratively work on putting a drone back together that's broken apart. You can take things from each other, you can communicate with each other, but what this is showing is over 5G you have very low latency and super high bandwidth, so you're able to do things in real time, like put drones together, or to put in a collaborative environment different types of use cases and collaborate on those and talk to people around the world in high speeds. The third demo that we're showing here today is cloud gaming, and this again is also connected to a live 5G network powered by Intel and Ericsson. And what we're showing here is the difference between a simulated LTE game. We're playing Tomb Raider. And so a simulated 4G LTE against a live 5G network. You could see the difference in latency and speed between the 2 games. So you could play one and then play the other, and you definitely notice a difference in speed. And then the fourth and final demo that we're showing here today around 5G is really talking about edge compute and bridging the gap between the digital and the virtual worlds. So with our partner Nokia, we are having a Rubik's Cube experience where you have a physical Rubik's Cube that's all black, it's 3D printed, but up on the digital screen you can see that Rubik's Cube with all the colors on it. So it's showing us how we can collaborate in the digital world by having physical objects, the physical world by having having objects, and then collaborating with somebody across the world using a digital space. So you both can have the same object, and you can see how it's being manipulated in real time. And if you think about different use cases for that, it's not just a Rubik's Cube game. It could be training, it could be educational, it could be in any sort of collaborative environment that you really need high bandwidth and low latency, and be closer to the edge so you get that content.
Do you know if Intel as a software giant and a hardware giant is a company that's influencing the development of the infrastructure as we're moving further into 2019? And what's the actual plan, if you're aware of course, what's the actual plan as to the rollout, if there's a tentative date, because I'm sure that T-Mobile is going to be highly involved in the process?
Yeah, Yeah, so we partner closely with all of our ecosystem partners. So all of our equipment manufacturers like Ericsson's and Nokia's, and the comm service providers like T-Mobile and AT&T and Verizon. So as we look at their deployment strategies and how Intel can be a part of that, so I'm not aware of what the long-term rollout plans are for the comm service providers, but I do know that we do trials with all of them on a regular basis, and we're always trying to push new boundaries with 5G, and that then is going to set the standards for the deployments and the rollouts. So, I mean, it's coming, right? We're in pre-5G right now, right? And slowly rolling out. It's going to be a while before everybody is fully 5G ready. And like I said, it's not just the devices that are 5G ready, but it's also the networks. So it'll take some time. But that's what we're working on now, is working with those comm service providers on network transformation.
Great. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Aquarium is back at the CES 2019, bringing you to the world of technology and innovation. Please enjoy this experience with us and let us know what you think about all these new techs in the comments down below.